What is up, everybody? It's Shannon. It's an exciting day, a very, very exciting day. Exciting day for a couple of reasons. One, right before I fell asleep last night at like 11:44, my channel went to 300 subscribers. That's crazy. So thank you all very, very, very much. I'm so excited to have all 300 of you here. At some point I'm gonna have to do like an intro video and like tell you all a little bit about myself and all that kind of stuff. But just thank you all so much. It's very exciting and very humbling. I went from like 50 to 300 and I don't know what's happened. It's super exciting. So thank you guys so much. And for you 300 people, such exciting news today because this came in the mail. And if you know, you know, the warning, the LegitKits, this is month 1 of the block of the month. And so it is in my hands as of today, which means we are a go for sewing block 1 together live on my YouTube channel this Sunday. Hold on a second. Sorry for the noise. I'm excited. I want to get into this. This Sunday from 1 to 3. So I'm still going to do Sunday brunch, but it's going to be a short version of Sunday brunch. So it'll be like a half an hour just to say, hey, what's up? And make sure everybody's ready to go. Make sure everybody's gotten their first month kit so that we'll be all ready to sew together. Or if you just did the digital download, that you were able to download your files, you were able to print them out at 100%. Hi, Kitty. And so you're ready to go there too. Then I'll be back at 1 o'clock to sew. And we will be putting all of the blocks together. It's green. I think I've said it probably a few times that green's my favorite color. Nope, this is Glock. Glock's head's gonna be in the way for a little bit. And there he goes. But let's get this open so I can show you because I'm so excited. It is the best. Don't mind the dogs. A little bit of noise, and here it is. Here we go. It is month 1 of the LegitKits. The boys are coming in the house, so don't worry about it. LegitKits Color Vortex. We will be doing this live Sunday from 1 to 3 Eastern time. Oh, look at that. The magnet and the sticker. We're good to go. I'll be organizing this a little bit differently since it's coming in month by month chunks. And we'll talk a little bit about that on Sunday. But super, super excited to have this in my hand. Super excited that it's green that we get to start with. And it's good. It's really here. We are going to sew this together. If you have any questions between now and then, let me know. Just, pop a comment in the bottom of this. I will check those comments or shoot me an email, whatever is easiest for you. But I hope that you are as excited as I am. It's a good day. So excited about the number of subscribers and all the friends who have come on this wild ride with me. And I'm really, really excited to show everybody and have this opportunity to show that LegitKits look complicated, but they don't have to be. That they are a lot of fun. This color vortex is going to be just, like the name says, basically it's going to be a riot of colors. You've seen the picture of it, of the rainbow of colors that we're going to get to work with. And so, yeah, I look forward to Sunday. Again, Sunday 1 to 3 Eastern time. I will do, again, Sunday brunch because I want to get that on a regular schedule where we're kind of used to hanging out with each other Sunday morning. I don't want to skip that. But it looks like the first Sunday, or the second Sunday, depending, this is the first month, so it might be a little weird. So, we'll get onto a regular schedule, but it will be definitely the first Sunday after I've received the block of the month that I'll do the video. And if some folks, it should be, because it's coming from Oklahoma City, it should be, by the time I get it, everybody gets it because I'm, you know, all the way on the East Coast here in Maryland. So hopefully if you didn't get it today, you'll get it tomorrow or Saturday. So everybody will be ready to come together on the Sunday that I'm ready to sew it. But the videos will always be up. It'll always be there, and I'll always be available to answer any questions and help like walk you through putting this together. But again, it's a beginner quilt. It'll be large pieces of fabric, and don't be scared. We'll get through it together. All right, I think I've blathered enough for today. Thank you, everybody. I look forward to Sunday. Talk to you all soon.